First, let's import illustration for the cover. In the Photoshop file, you will see a layer called Place Your Image here. Make sure that layer with cover color selected and open folder with illustrations are included. You can import any other image too, of course. Here is what illustrations are included into this download. Select the image you want and drag it to the Photoshop file. Make sure that it plays between cover color layer and Place Your Image Here layer. Now hold Alt and move cursor between image you just imported and cover color layer. When you will see this arrow, click between the layers as shown. You've just made a clipping mask. Delete layer with old illustration. Use Move tool V to position new illustration. Command+T to transform. You can resize and rotate illustration. To change cover color, double-click on this layer. You can sample colors by clicking with eyedropper tool or select the one you want in the window. To change color of the binder, double-click on the Color Overlay layer style. Select the color you want. Change color for inner shadow as well. Pick darker tone of the binder color. Now let's add your text. Select Type tool T and with text layer selected, click on the cover text to change it. Select the font you want to use. You can download cool free fonts at dafont.com. To change color of the text, click on the color icon at character window. If you want to use the same color for the lines, copy color code, Command+C. Double-click on the lines layer. Delete previous color code and paste the one you copied, Command+V. As you can notice, all the layers we are making changes to are clipping masks for the cover layer. In this way, we are making sure that cover texture will apply to the illustration and text. If you will remove layer from the clipping mask, the texture will no longer apply to it. Just double check that the layers above are clipping masks before saving your cover. If there is no arrows before layer icon, just hold Alt and click between layers to apply clipping mask. If you don't need lines or text, just click on the eye icon to hide that layer. To save your cover, go to File, Save As and choose JPEG from drop-down menu.